Good morning, welcome to another day. And it is 7:20 in the morning. I'm off to put the towels down, reserve some chairs around the pool. We found our little favourite spot. So hopefully they won't disappear that quickly, and then I'm going to book another restaurant for next week, Japanese restaurant. And then today we're going to chill out, go on a bike ride, lazy river, loads of stuff. So let's go. Ahora sigo cantando y sigo gozando. Yo sigo cantando y sigo gozando. I made it to our Sun Loungers and we've got a little friend. See you later, mate. Bye. Oh, lazy river time! You going for blue, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Well, I'm gonna go for clear.
Got my arm stuck.
Yep, baby. Hey, hey. Whoa! Okay guys, it is nearly 2 o'clock and I've arrived at the bike area ready to hire a bike. Going on an adventure around the park. And it looks like this is the map of where we go. So we're here, I think, or one of these. So we'll go all the way around the edge, through the complex, and back around again. Haha, exciting. Let's wait for the instructor to come. Let's get on with it. Right, we've got helmets on, high vis. Looks like it's only me today, and my guide here, Cecilio. So, hola amigo.
Hola, hola. My
Hola.
name is Cecilio. The good boy in Mexico, Cecilio. For the bad boy in Italy, is Cecilio.
Cecilio, okay.
Yes.
So I call you Cecilio.
Okay, amigo, are you ready?
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
This way.
Here we go. I am number 12. We've got no brakes, pedal back brake. Riding a fixie today. Full sus as well. Very nice.
It's 2:31.
2:31, so we've got 1 hour.
Mexican hour.
Yeah, Mexican
Almost
hour.
2 hours.
Hola.
They like to river, amigo.
Yeah, we've been in that. We've done that one today, this morning. Yeah, yeah.
Very good. The plant is the name is mimosa.
Which
Mimosa plant.
mimosa plant?
Yes. Okay, amigo. Are you ready? You can touch.
Oh wow.
You can touch more.
Yeah, yeah, it closes.
Yes. Yes. No? It's the mimosa plant. Yes, it's the protection.
Left, yeah.
Go to the jungle.
Secret. Through the jungle now.
Right here, you know, walk right here. Huh? You come. No, this way, huh?
Secret way.
Yeah, this is the Mexican Amazon.
Yeah, Mexican Amazon, yeah. Walking through the jungle again.
Watch out for the tiger.
Watch out for the puma.
Watch out for the snake. Can you see the snake? Nah, just kidding.
Secret snake.
The other animal. Oh, Pato Lucas.
Oh wow.
The Lucas.
Lucas.
Is it?
Yeah, see it, yeah.
It's the big one. You wanna cross? Ooh, you wanna cross?
Hey, lovely. All the fish there, look.
I know. It's the baby piranhas.
Baby piranhas, yeah.
No, sometimes. Okay.
Okay, so we're at this body of water here, and the crocodile swimming hole is at yesterday is actually connected through the mangroves here. It goes actually under the ground through like an underwater river, which is what makes Riviera Maya quite famous. And then this is just a mixture of fresh water and seawater from the Caribbean Sea, which is we've just seen a minute ago. And then we've got a bird over here, don't know if you can see it, and it's called a Lucas.
Lucas, Pato Lucas.
Patos Lucas.
Lucas.
There we go.
The Pato Lucas. It's Lucas, he's almost ready. Lucas. Lucas! Now you splash. Ooh, it's the other right there.
Yeah. And we found a Mexican cactus. Is that the one that you can eat?
No.
No, you can't eat that one.
No. The other cactus is different.
The big one, it's like aloe vera inside the
yes,
like
yeah,
gel.
Yes.
Yeah. And we're back at the Do Not Swim Lagoon.
It's for the agave, for tequila.
They make tequila.
Agave.
Oh,
Green agave.
so this is a plant in the same family as aloe vera plant. This is what they use to make tequila.
Yes.
So that if I eat that, I get drunk.
Normally in Mexico is the name is Heineken.
Heineken, the beer.
No.
No.
No Heineken. It's Heineken.
Heineken.
Is different.
Oh, okay.
Heineken is for the beer. It's like,
Yeah, Heineken's
no,
the beer, and
Heineken.
Heineken is the
Yes,
is
but
the plant.
different.
Yeah. Okay.
Sirenis.
We are at the Sirenis, which is the botanical garden. So we're going to go in this way, entrada, and all the butterflies around.
Yes. Welcome this day. Watch out for this. This is very expensive, amigo. This is the Mexican door. You never seen
The Mexican door
before.
made out of the water lids.
But you remember when you stay in Mexico for the water, it's tequila.
It all comes here, tequila, yeah.
I know.
And then it looks like we've got some mint,
Yes.
rosemary,
Uh-huh.
mint again. So you're growing some beer and some tequila.
No.
No, that's aloe vera.
Aloe vera. Ah.
Got it wrong.
Yes. You never see this before.
Is that?
It's the flower.
It's hard as well.
I know.
Very hard. It's like a flip-flop.
Nah, no. It's a orchidea.
Oh, orchid. Yeah.
Yes.
There we go.
You never see it before that tree?
Yeah, there's little seeds, little hanging seeds on there.
The brown color.
Yeah.
This for the tamarind.
Tamarind. Ah, the spice. Like
When you, it's a little acid.
Yeah, I think
something
I
you
know what you
can-
mean.
It's
You
for
can grind it up and put it in herbs.
Oh, for candies.
Yeah.
Candy or Mexican water. For the Mexican water, it's good.
Yeah. Cool. Tamarindo, yeah. Chilies.
Right here. What kind of chili?
Not
It's very hot.
habanero.
Yes.
Yes. Hey, I got one right. I got one right.
Ay, 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 caramba. This, the other question, right here. It's very easy for you.
So it's not a palm tree?
Yes.
It is a palm tree.
The bee. Can you see the bee? Just one bee right there.
Oh wow.
Watch
Yeah.
out. Big old bee.
Is that a lady eggs in there? Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. So, don't walk because sometimes the bite.
Oh no.
Okay, normally this for the Maya ritual.
Okay, yeah.
The Maya ritual is this for the protection for the garden.
Okay.
For protection.
Yeah.
But remember, don't touch nothing right there
No,
because you
it's
touch a little
sacred.
bit, you can go to the other planet. Maybe Pluton.
Yeah.
Mercurio.
Another little iguana.
Okay, amigo, right here, this is the baby pyramid. It's the baby pyramid Chichen Itza.
Baby
Samuel.
Chichen Itza.
It's the Samuel. Chichen Itza. It's the
Okay.
baby Chichen Itza Samuel.
This is a Maguey Morado.
Maguey morado.
I was close, very close.
Maguey morado. What color is morado?
It's purple.
Yes, I
So
know
there's
it's
a purple
there,
leaf.
yes. Remember, this plant is similar for tequila, for the agave.
Near the agave, yeah.
Right here for the pulque. Is pulque, agave is for alcohol.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, but this plant, remember, is purple. It's only for the señoritas.
Ah,
It's very good
for the ladies.
for the 28 days. It's very good for the period.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
It's very good. This only just tea, only tea.
Yeah.
Just put in tea and
Yeah.
that's it. It's very good for
Like
the
a natural remedy.
Yes.
Yeah.
For the anti-inflammatory.
Yeah, yeah.
It's very good. Not for the men, because for the men, can you see my finger? No.
And here we have some sage. They use all of these herbs. They grow them here for the resort. That's rosemary. And then, oh, I don't know what that is.
Smell it?
Basil. Basil.
Yes, it's basil.
Very basil, yeah.
Yes.
And then mint.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got the mint
And
tequila. Aloe vera.
Hey, aloe vera.
What is that?
It's very good for the pizza.
Or is it? Or it's not oregano.
Oregano. Yes.
Oregano. That smells familiar. Don't know.
Now it's better. Smell it.
That's like lemony.
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass. Yeah.
Yes.
My dad has one of these in his house in a pot. But I don't know what it is.
The snake plant.
Snake plant.
Yes. And
Is
holo.
It sounds hollow, doesn't it? Is this another gum tree?
It's a Mayan tree.
The Mayan tree.
It's the ceiba.
The saber. Ah, yeah.
Yes, ceiba.
And this is like cultural for the Mayans.
Yes.
Yeah.
This instrument before for this
Ah,
use for the
drums.
canoe.
Yeah.
It's very good tree for the canoe. Canoe?
So it's
Boat?
canoe, yeah. So it's like in Asia they use bamboo, and in Mexico they use this tree.
Oh yeah. It's the bamboo. It's right there. It's more. Oh, can you see that right there? It's the
Oh, yeah.
bamboo.
Yeah, I can see it. Alright, we're back on the road again.
Right there is for the jungle.
Yeah, that's where we came. And now we're going this way around the resort, over the biggest speed hump ever.
The office, amigo.
Here we go, bike tour's done. Back to the office.
Go to the medical service.
Go and have cerveza.
Cerveza.
Oh, what a great tour that was. And to do it more or less one-on-one gave me that little bit of sort of personalisation on the tour. Saw some really cool things, saw some nice sights. Time to relax. We're all scrubbed up now and we have got a la carte tonight. We have booked the Steakhouse. Fingers crossed they've got T-bone, because I've not had a T-bone in ages and you're looking forward to a T-bone, aren't you?
Oh yeah.
So I'm not sure whether they cook it in front of you or it's on a hot stone or whether you just order it and it comes out. This is our first night of a la carte, first of 4 choices we've got. So I'm looking forward to this. I'm actually starving and I think I might start the evening with a Cuba Libre. Salute! So Katie and I have actually gone for the same thing tonight. We've gone for
Clam chowder and then a T-bone.
T-bone steak, and then we're getting different sides so we can sort of chop and change it. But yes, T-bone.
Rare.
So here's our clam chowder. That's come in bread. Right, you gonna try some?
Yeah.
Let me know what you think. Go on. What's that like?
That's good.
You like it, yeah? See if we get it go. Lovely. Right, how was your clam chowder?
So good. So good.
So good. Here is the steak. Hey, thank you very much. Gracias.
Okay. So anything, something else I can do for
Wow, look at that. So nice. How's your steak?
Really good.
Cooked to perfection? Well, nice. Desserts are up. I've gone for the fruit bowl. Kate's got, what is it, chocolate cake?
Yeah.
Yummy.
Time on my white tie, dancing to my